They usually say stats are like a bikini. They don't reveal everything, but stats are used by liars. Yeah, angiyazi ke le quote ukuthi uyaphi, but what is interesting here is that it is true when they say ukuthi numbers don't lie, but numbers, for them not to lie, there must be an end product that comes after everything has been done. Sanibonani football lovers, welcome to PKS Sports. Igama lami Mbongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi nikahle niyaphila. Please don't forget to like and to subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed. Danko. Cedric Kaze today, he was on defensive mode. You see, when someone starts revealing things like stat, just know what he's trying everything to save his job. And you cannot blame him, because when we look at the performance of the club, yes, it is not appealing. It is not pleasing to the fans, but the matter of the fact is that if you compare Kaizer Chiefs this season, last season and the season before, you can say what they have improved in terms of the position that they are at on the Betway Premier League log. But in terms of scoring, there's still the same problem as last season and the season before. In terms of defending, same thing. But if you compare Nasreddin Nabi's tenor, Molefi Ntseki's tenor, and Kelvin Johnson's tenor, you can say Guti, these co-coaches, they are better than them. It's just Guti, if it happens Guti, it feels like you have overstayed your welcome. Nothing else seems like it is good that you do or that you have done. You have done nothing great. Because I'm here sitting and I'm looking at these stats. Yes, you want them gone. But if they can do miracles, as they say, Guti, finishing as a number 2, it will be a miracle for them. But to Cedric Kaze said, Guti, finishing as a number 3 would be a good thing for him. He will leave Kaizer Chiefs a happy man. And as number 3, I can say good, it is possible, but to number 2, angeke. Number 3 simply means good. They are as good as gone, because they've said the mandate is Champions League football, not CAF Confederations. But if you look at the stats here, you can see good. They might salvage or they might save the season. It's all about good. How will the players respond to what they've said? Because if Mabo have said something, they have to look at themselves and take accountability of how they've been performing, because in the last 2 to 3 weeks, it is not the same like they were in the last 2 to 3 months. Because here, look at the stats. In the season 2023-2024, after 18 matches, it was the turn of Kelvin Johnson. They got 25 points. They were sitting on position number 10, and they lost 7 games and they conceded 12 goals in season 2023-2024. But in season 2024-2025, it was the season of Nasreddin Nabi. They've conceded 24 goals. Defensively, they were bad last season. They lost 8 games and they were in position 9 after 18 matches. The points that they've got were 24 points after 18 games. But in the season of Ukaze and Khalil Ben Yusuf and Smolanyana Nasreddin Nabi, after 18 matches, they have 30 points. And it could have been more if they were consistent and the players were serious in getting the results, because it seems like Guti, every season for Chiefs, 30 points is a curse for them. Bahlala isikhathi eside njalo ku number 30 before bajumpa baya from 31. So this is something na emeli fakulwe ipo ukuthi kanjani. And they are in position 6 and they have 2 games in hand. Nalaba baphezulu apha. And if they can win these 2 games in hand, it simply means one thing. Kuti from 30, 33, 36. Kushukuthi babeka in a position good, they will no longer worry about ukuthi bazoya out of the top 8. So you see ukuthi now it's where mental toughness comes in. It's where the mindset needs to change from the players. It's actually doable. Yes, Position 2 is a miracle to achieve, but let them try. But their main target will be let's finish on top 3, because that one it is achievable. Nami ngiyavumelana guys. And they lost only 4 games. The recent 3 games in a row, plus that one that we lost esashawa isikhukhune yasiphaphamisa ukuthi asilento esitshela ukuthi siyiyo thina ukuthi we are the wall of Jericho lapha emuva, yasihlaba nga 3 goals. And we considered 12 goals. So simply means good season 2023, 2024, no 2025, 2026. We considered the same amount of goals. So you see, good. Now we can say good. In terms of stats they don't reveal anything, because they were making a presentation. Guys, these were the shots on target that were registered per game. These were the successful dribbles. This was the maximum ball position Kaizer Chiefs had behind the Mamelodi Sundowns. Yabo, things like Uguti, the shots per game that were registered by Kaizer Chiefs, they were behind, I think, Orlando Pirates, or if not, about number 1. So that tells you something. Uguti, they are doing something, but the end product is not there. Because all the stats that they've mentioned here, they are useless if you are not winning games, if you are not scoring goals. What's the use of having a successful cross if it won't end up in the back of the net? The dribbles, because of dribble, you can dribble someone in your own half. So that's why they always say, good stats don't reveal everything. But for their defense, I believe with Bona they are doing great. It's just good at some point, as a person, I like people that I can say they are tenacious. People that don't give up easily. But sometimes you have to know when to quit, because it seems like they are inviting more pressure and problems for themselves. Because now yonke into abayenza ibhekwe ngani ngesolo course. They are waiting with the game ye Durban City, because Durban City now is becoming a problem now. Kuti bazophuma kanjani? Because I know if they don't win that game, hell will break loose. Hell will break loose. Believe you not. Because I know very well ukuthi kubalekile ukuthi ezumuntu wazi ukuthi angigive up kalula. But at some point you have to know when to quit. Because some friends with Chiefs, I know them. Nami ngiyazazi ukuthi kunjani. But now into emele siyifake emqondweni ukuthi as much as we are blaming the coaches, the management, the players nabo needs to come to the party. Angisho bona bathi bayakwazi ukudlala ibhola, but bafuna ukudlala ku Chiefs. Sebaya kuyo ke Chiefs abasikhombisa, because it's all about the mentality and how you fight. The coaches nyababona vele ukuthi iyabasindi club, but singabambisana la. Ukuthi even if khona la kungayenze khona nathi as ama players sokwazi ukuthi sidonse, because we know ukuthi the dream work is made by teamwork. But asikho lapho, let's get to indaba Stuart Baxter, because naye he broke the silence when he mentioned something about management, and in everything that he wrote there was a part whereby he was in defense of the coaches. Good, at some point you might blame every coach that comes at Naturana, but the management in Abo must be held accountable. And it's nothing new, because that's music to our ears. We always stress about this. To other people, they even go to an extent, they ask you a question, good, how do you know good the Kaizer Chiefs is responsible for this and that? He did mention good they want to interfere. They don't let the coach be, because me as a coach in my first season with Kaizer Chiefs, I was able ukuthi ngiyenze izinto ngendlela yami. But in my second turn, that's where they started to meddle in my business. Bayabheka ukuthi ubani kumele ngimthenge, ubani kumele ngimdlalise, and even my tactical approach when I go to a match ukuthi kumele bangenzele kumele kube kanjani. So it simply means ukuthi maybe even the coaches amanye ama situations they are beyond them ukuthi bawa control. They might want to use a certain way, they might want to play certain players, but they can't, because it seems like every day there's something new that comes up about Kaizer Chiefs and the management. Even now a former coach naye khuluma izinto ezina kanje. At some point khona izinto emele siyicabanga, because one thing I know for a fact ukuthi when players sign contracts, we are only told ukuthi sign how many years player contract nokuthi uyophela nini. Sekumele sizicabangele sizicalculate, but we don't know the details. Good, how was the contract drafted? Because maybe they are interfering because Ubob is the one that is able to memorize the contracts of all these players, but he is always there when they sign. Good, lo uzodlala this amount of games, lona ngeke adlale, lo i-backup ka lo, lona simsebenzisa ama-shot. Maybe that's the thing ukuthi njalo baba khona, because yibo abaziyo ngendawo zama-contract, because as ama-coaches angeke wazi ukuthi kusayinweni everything naphana in detail ukuthi kuthiwani. But angeke ngidefend iKaizer Chiefs, it's just a suggestion ngubeka. But lento lena, it simply makes iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ibukeke njengabantu whom themselves are their enemies of their own success by not allowing coaches do what they were hired to do. Be coaches, not be coached and be told how to coach. Yabona kwi-situation kaKaze and uKhaleb Bensouff, it is understood that they were taking chances in management. But from coaches like Nasreddine Nabi, I think kula khona bayiphuthe khona, because we know ukuthi as a coach kuba mnandi ukufika in an environment whereby you are given full control and you get the tools that you need in order for you to succeed in a club.